This is 55 Ohio Street in Bangor. It's a 4-unit building. This unit is in the back. We're going to look at unit number 2. This is the parking area. It's behind the building. It's a pretty good size, so there's plenty of parking back here. This is a fairly new property for us. The owner is working on it. The inside has been pretty much renovated. There's still a little bit left to do. The outside is being worked on as well. As you can tell, the stairs have been replaced. But this is just cosmetic. They're putting new siding on. So it has a brand new door on it. It has all new flooring. It does have brand new carpeting here in the entryway. Going upstairs. We do have a couple of guys in here who are working out on it as we speak, so you'll hear some noise. It has brand new windows, new nice laminate wood flooring here in the living room. It's a pretty good size unit. It's a 2-bedroom with office, or it could be a 3-bedroom. It does have heat. Heat is included. These are gas-powered Rinnai heaters. They do give off a lot of heat, but again, that is included. They're heated by propane. This is a little open entryway into the kitchen. Over here is closet. There's a hot water heater. There's a little bit of storage. It goes under the stairs. There's your electric panel. And this is the kitchen. There's a space over here, which does make it an eat-in kitchen if you prefer. Plenty of room for table and chairs right next to the window. Plenty of cupboard space, counter space. The kitchen, that's where the dishwasher is. That was just recently installed, so that's brand new. And then back here, this is a office bonus room. Could be a bedroom because it does have closets. Again, the doors do need to be installed. Again, it does have the wood laminate flooring. Again, they're just finishing up, so there's a little bit of a mess in here, but obviously that will be cleaned up. They do expect to have this done probably in a week or so. And back around to the living room, you have the stairs that go up to the bedrooms. That's what's coming handy right now. Yeah. And this does come with a washer dryer hookup, which is up here at the top of the stairs. Again, you have the wood flooring up here. And here's the bathroom. This is a little medicine cabinet right here. And it is tub shower, so it's a full bath. And then right across here, you have the washer dryer hookup. So it's in its own little closet area. Out of the way. And this way, you have one of the bedrooms. I believe this is the smaller one. It does have one closet. Double closet, so it's a really good size. This is at the back of the unit, so it overlooks the parking lot. It does get plenty of light. And then back out in the hallway, here's your heater for upstairs. Again, that's another Rinnai heater, so it's heated by propane. Very efficient, gives off a lot of heat. And then this is the other bedroom. This one has 2 closets. Actually, it's just all one closet. It does go all the way through, so has 2 closet doors. No, electricity is not hooked up, but they do have lights. And then 2 good-sized windows. So both bedrooms up here are really decent size. Probably could fit a king-size bed in here. Queen size would fit pretty well. So again, 2 bedrooms upstairs, 1 room downstairs, which could be a bedroom, would work well as an office. So that concludes the video tour of 55 Ohio Street, unit number 2. It's a 4-unit building. Heat, water, sewer is included. They do the plowing, lawn care. So tenant pays electric, and then internet, whatever they prefer to do there. So if you have any questions, you can contact us at rentbangor.com or 207-974-6606.